Andrew here, Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, 704-966-1650, option 3 for free tech support. We're going to talk about error code Charlie 984. High limit thermostat open for at least 0.25 seconds during sterilized mode. So you're getting an overheat error in sterilized mode. Okay, first cause is possibly maintenance is not performed. So we're going to want to refer to the maintenance, the weekly and monthly maintenance video, which talks about your gaskets and your chamber filter and draining the unit regularly. So the cause could also be the high limit thermostat or loose or damaged wire connection. So the high limit thermostats are underneath the belly. They work with the heating element. Basically, when if the chamber runs out of water, they trip as a safety mechanism. And a lot of times it gets so hot under there that the connections, the wire connectors will melt. So you can visually inspect with a flashlight to see if you see any melted wires. If you do, then you will have to drain out all the water, flip the machine on its side, and then get in there and replace those connectors. And then we can first troubleshoot further. We can go further after that. So high limit thermostat malfunctioning or loose or damaged wires. Okay. So there could be a pressure leak somewhere, could be burnt or damaged wiring somewhere. But first what we will do is we will pull all the instruments out, pull all the trays out, let it cool down, run an empty cycle. While we're running the empty cycle, we're going to look for the pressure leaks. So you're going to look for your leaks around your gasket area here. If you haven't replaced your gasket in a while, let's start with that. That's most likely the problem. Very common issue. So from there, we're going to inspect pressure leaks from your pressure transducer fittings here. You're going to look for pressure leaks coming out of your pressure relief valve, coming down here. You'll see it underneath the unit in the back right-hand corner. Also, you're going to look for pressure leaks underneath the unit as it's cycling. If you see any water dripping underneath, that could be your heating elements leaking, could be the fitting underneath the chambers leaking, could be a couple of those issues. Again, we're talking about an overheat issue, so the belly of the chamber is running out of water. So it could be the air vent bellows, could be the vent valve here. You can actually see these things failing in real time if we take the cover off and run a cycle. It's kind of difficult to do. Give us a call, maybe we can talk about it. But the vent valve here could be leaking. The fill valve there could be leaking. There's an air vent bellows that corrodes, it goes bad, that gets stuff stuck in it. That could be leaking, so it could be any number of areas leaking for this particular area. Okay, fittings, like I said, behind the manifold, there's a fitting. Double check that that's not leaking. That's why it's, during our test cycle, if you take the right side panel off, and you can see in here with a flashlight, it can reveal a lot of the things or any of the issues that we might have. Next, it could be the heater element is malfunctioning. If you want to, we have to take the right side panel off and unplug the unit, but we could do a resistance test on the heating element right here with a multimeter. Just unplug those wires, plug them in, make sure the unit's not unplugged, or the unit is unplugged from the wall, otherwise you'll zap yourself. We don't want that. Heating element malfunctioning. Okay, and then sterilizer is unlevel, so it should be pretty obvious, but the sterilizer needs to be level to work properly. If it's not level and you're having problems with it, give us a call. We might be able to help you out figuring that one out. And last but not least is the PC board may be failing. So we'll talk about these other things. Hopefully it's just a door gasket or the chamber was overloaded. If you don't see any other leaks, if you have no leaks and it's still erroring out, it could be something going on with the PC board, bad fuse holders, bad relay, intermittent. Sometimes they turn on, turn off, turn on, and then sometimes they don't turn off. So you get overheat areas that way. But we could fix the PC boards. Okay, so Charlie 984, that pretty much covers it. If you like this video, please share it. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and stay tuned for more Midmark troubleshooting videos. Thank you.